Imagine a bridge so immense that it has the potential to redefine the future of infrastructure. Rising high above rugged terrain, where earthquakes, harsh weather, and extreme altitudes challenge the limits of human engineering, this project stands as a modern marvel. Suspended 2,000 feet in the air, the Huajiang Gorge Bridge is breaking records and pushing boundaries. But this is more than just a bridge. It represents China's ambition, a shift in global economic dynamics, and a reflection of the country's relentless drive toward greatness. This undertaking is one of the most ambitious in modern history, and its implications extend far beyond its impressive structure. In 2021, engineers and workers gathered in China's mountainous Giza province to begin construction. Equipped with thousands of tons of concrete and heavy machinery, they set out to conquer one of the most difficult engineering challenges ever attempted. The region's dramatic landscape posed significant obstacles, with sheer cliffs, unpredictable weather, and geological instability complicating the process. Yet, despite these daunting conditions, China pressed forward, determined to construct what would soon be recognized as a world record-breaking engineering feat. The challenge was not just about the staggering height or the rugged terrain, but also the battle against natural forces. Earthquakes, high winds, and freezing temperatures made construction extremely difficult. However, China's history of overcoming engineering obstacles provided confidence that the seemingly impossible could be achieved. Workers endured grueling conditions to bring this vision to life, prioritizing safety at every step. The result would be a bridge that not only defies nature's constraints, but also sets new standards in global infrastructure development. The remote location of Giza, with its towering peaks and deep valleys, had long kept it cut off from major economic activity. Progress in the region was slow due to its isolation, limiting industries, transportation, and even basic trade. Moving goods and people was an arduous task, as the geography presented significant logistical challenges. The construction of this bridge, however, was about to change everything. It was more than just a physical structure, it was a gateway to development, transforming the economic landscape and unlocking new opportunities for the region's future. Despite the extreme conditions, workers remained motivated by the historical significance of their work. The energy on site was fueled by ambition and a shared determination to push the limits of what was considered possible. However, even with cutting-edge technology and advanced engineering expertise, the environmental risks threatened to slow progress. But China's unwavering determination, backed by decades of experience in mega projects, ensured that setbacks were only temporary obstacles to be overcome. As construction progressed, the scale of the project became increasingly evident. Each step, from pouring concrete to securing steel beams, brought the project closer to completion. However, the unique challenges of working at such high altitudes, combined with the unpredictable forces of nature, meant that the future of the bridge remained uncertain. Would it withstand the powerful seismic activity that frequently shook the region? Could it endure the intense thunderstorms and strong winds that put its structural integrity to the test? Only time would reveal the answers, but one thing was clear. This bridge was set to transform the region, and possibly the world. China's latest infrastructure project in Huajiang Gorge has become a testament to the nation's ability to take on and conquer seemingly insurmountable challenges. Towering 2,000 feet above the canyon floor, it is poised to become the tallest bridge in the world upon its completion in 2025. Using innovative engineering techniques, the structure features a rigid steel bridge truss with a main span of 4,760 feet, a design that surpasses even the record-holding suspension bridges of the past. This new milestone in engineering is redefining the boundaries of modern construction and proving that ambitious visions can be turned into reality. The decision to use a rigid steel truss was driven by both necessity and innovation. Given the steep slopes, challenging topography, and the risk of earthquakes, the design needed to provide maximum stability and durability. The steel truss efficiently distributes weight across the structure, ensuring it can endure not only seismic shocks, but also the strong winds and extreme weather that frequently impact the region. The scale of the construction process presented a logistical nightmare, yet it was precisely this immense challenge that made the project so remarkable. The height of the bridge, standing nearly twice as tall as the Eiffel Tower, pushed engineers to develop creative solutions beyond conventional limits. Every day, workers faced significant risks as they worked at dizzying heights. The uneven slopes and unstable terrain made construction even more complex. On the northern side of the canyon, a massive concrete tower, rising 860 feet, was constructed to anchor the bridge. This tower, significantly taller than its southern counterpart, was designed to support the bridge deck, securing it firmly to the rock walls of the gorge. Despite extensive safety precautions and cutting-edge equipment, working at such altitudes under the constant threat of seismic activity made the project one of the most dangerous construction undertakings in history. The climate of the region added yet another layer of difficulty. The high-altitude location brought drastic temperature fluctuations between day and night, making working conditions even more challenging. Geologists closely monitored the site, knowing that even minor underground tremors could impact the bridge's stability before completion. Nevertheless, Chinese engineers pressed forward, determined to see their ambitious vision realized. Beyond its engineering significance, the bridge will serve as a vital economic and transportation asset. Travel time across the gorge, which previously took over an hour, will be reduced to just a few minutes, dramatically improving the region's connectivity. This newfound accessibility will strengthen trade, facilitate economic growth, and foster development in communities that were once isolated by the landscape. The bridge is expected to open doors to industries that were previously unable to operate efficiently due to the region's challenging terrain. This groundbreaking project is not just about connecting 2 points. It is about reshaping an entire region's future. The completion of this bridge will be a defining moment for China's engineering prowess and could serve as a model for future high-altitude infrastructure worldwide. The question remains, will this marvel of modern engineering unlock the full potential of Giza, or will nature ultimately determine its limits? In addition to its economic and transportation benefits, the bridge is set to revolutionize tourism in the region. Beyond its practical use, it is expected to become a major global attraction, drawing adventure seekers from around the world. The sheer height and breathtaking views will make it an irresistible destination for thrill seekers, while innovative features will enhance the visitor experience. Designed with tourism in mind, the bridge will feature a glass walkway that allows visitors to look directly down into the canyon, offering a heart-pounding experience. For those seeking an even greater adrenaline rush, the bridge will host extreme activities such as bungee jumping from a 2,200-foot-high platform. The project's scale ensures that it will become a premier destination for adventure tourism, turning Giza into a global hotspot for those in search of exhilarating experiences. In addition to high adrenaline attractions, the bridge will provide a sophisticated hospitality experience. A service area will include hotels, restaurants, and leisure facilities, blending modern comfort with the area's natural beauty. Visitors will have the opportunity to enjoy coffee in a stargazing cafe perched above the gorge or explore rock climbing routes and zip lines incorporated into the lower levels of the bridge. The integration of extreme sports, luxurious accommodations, and scenic beauty makes this project unlike anything seen before. Beyond the excitement of tourism, the bridge will also serve an educational purpose. A museum dedicated to the history of bridge engineering and the geology of the region will be part of the site. Visitors will gain insight into the rich cultural and natural heritage of the area, as well as the scientific innovations that made the bridge possible. By positioning itself as a hub for adventure, education, and economic growth, Giza is preparing for a future powered by increased global attention and investment. With infrastructure improvements and a growing tourism industry, the economic impact of this bridge will extend far beyond transportation. The influx of visitors will boost local businesses, create new jobs, and enhance regional development. The project is not just about connecting distant locations. It is about integrating Giza into the broader world economy, showcasing China's engineering capabilities and creating a legacy that will stand for generations to come. The adventure begins the moment you step onto the tallest bridge in the world. Standing high above the landscape, it offers a breathtaking yet thrilling experience. Will you dare to take the plunge? This architectural wonder is not just a marvel of engineering, but also a catalyst for economic transformation, set to reshape the future of Giza in ways never seen before. Located in a region long hindered by rugged mountains and geographic isolation, this bridge is set to break barriers that have stifled economic growth. Historically, the area's inaccessibility has limited trade and development, restricting the movement of goods and people. However, with this monumental structure in place, a new era of opportunity is dawning. It will significantly cut down travel time between Guangnan and Changnan, reducing a previously arduous 70-minute journey to a mere 2 minutes. The improved connectivity will enhance trade, facilitate business expansion, and provide workers with greater access to job opportunities, ultimately stimulating economic activity in multiple sectors. Beyond transportation, the bridge is expected to have a profound impact on local industries. Farmers who once struggled to transport their produce to distant markets will now have greater access to buyers, leading to increased sales and profitability. Tourism, too, is expected to flourish as accessibility improves. Previously, the challenging journey deterred many potential visitors, but with a direct and efficient route now available, a surge in tourist arrivals is anticipated. Hotels, restaurants, and local businesses will benefit from this influx, leading to increased economic circulation and higher local incomes. A destination in its own right, the bridge is expected to draw global visitors eager to witness its towering heights and spectacular views. This landmark structure will not only bring attention to the bridge itself, but also to the region's other natural wonders, such as waterfalls, gorges, and scenic landscapes. Once an overlooked area due to its remote location, Giza is now poised to become a significant player in China's tourism sector. This engineering feat is not just about economic transformation, it also represents an extraordinary achievement in construction and design. The sheer scale and location of the project presented unique challenges, requiring groundbreaking solutions. Given the high altitude, steep slopes, and seismic risks in the region, traditional construction techniques were insufficient. Engineers opted for a rigid steel truss system, known for its superior strength and stability. Unlike suspension bridges that rely on cables, this design distributes weight evenly across interconnected beams, ensuring durability even under extreme conditions. The structure was specifically designed to withstand heavy loads and frequent seismic activity, making it a model of resilience. Despite the sophisticated engineering, building the bridge was no easy task. Workers faced immense difficulties in constructing the supports on uneven terrain, where one side of the canyon was significantly higher than the other. The project demanded extreme precision, as well as innovative equipment, to guarantee safety and structural integrity. To navigate these challenges, advanced machinery, including specialized cranes, concrete pumps, and custom-built scaffolding systems, was utilized. The entire endeavor showcases not just human ingenuity, but also the resilience and dedication of those who built it. The region's unpredictable weather conditions posed another challenge. Drastic temperature fluctuations between day and night, coupled with high winds, threatened to delay construction and endanger workers. Engineers took extensive precautions, employing weather-resistant materials and reinforcing the structure to withstand nature's elements. Every aspect of the bridge was meticulously designed to ensure it remained steadfast despite environmental adversities. Beyond being a symbol of engineering excellence, the bridge represents the limitless possibilities of human ambition. It is a testament to the power of technology, innovation, and perseverance. While it serves the practical purpose of connecting two regions, it also pushes the boundaries of what infrastructure can achieve, proving that with the right vision and tools, even the most daunting challenges can be overcome. As the bridge nears completion, anticipation grows regarding its impact on Giza's future. While improved infrastructure and accessibility promise economic revitalization, questions remain about the sustainability of these developments. The region has long struggled with economic stagnation, ranking among China's poorest provinces. Although the bridge will facilitate trade and travel, its long-term success depends on further investments in education, technology, and business growth. Simply building a bridge is not enough. There must be an accompanying strategy to ensure the local population can take full advantage of the new opportunities. Tourism, while a promising sector, is not without its risks. Although the bridge is expected to draw millions of visitors, the sustainability of the tourism industry depends on continuous development. Without proper planning and investment in infrastructure such as hotels, attractions, and services, the region may struggle to maintain its appeal over time. If not managed effectively, the bridge could become a symbol of missed potential rather than economic success. Despite these uncertainties, the bridge signals a bold step forward for Giza. It demonstrates the region's willingness to embrace modernization and strive for a brighter future. Whether it serves as the foundation for lasting economic growth or merely a fleeting spectacle will depend on how well its benefits are harnessed. With its completion, Giza stands on the brink of transformation. This bridge is not just a physical connection between two places, it is a gateway to new possibilities. The innovation, engineering, and ambition behind this project set a new precedent for infrastructure worldwide. If leveraged correctly, it could mark the beginning of a prosperous new chapter for the region. Only time will reveal whether this landmark will be a beacon of lasting progress or an ambitious dream awaiting fulfillment. Engineers and architects worldwide will analyze the groundbreaking construction techniques of the bridge, eager to apply its lessons to their own projects. This is more than just an impressive local structure. It stands as proof of what is possible when engineering and technology reach new heights. Beyond its structural significance, the bridge is expected to unlock a range of opportunities. It will boost the local economy while also drawing international attention. As infrastructure development and connectivity become increasingly important on a global scale, the Huajiang Gorge Bridge may emerge as an influential model for future generations. The local workforce will benefit from the surge in job opportunities, not only from the bridge itself, but also from the tourism industry it will attract. As Giza strengthens its connections with the rest of China and the world, the province is likely to experience a rise in foreign investment, driving economic growth even further. On a broader scale, this bridge highlights China's capability to execute large-scale projects that redefine the limits of engineering. It is not just about constructing an impressive landmark, it symbolizes China's ongoing commitment to innovation and progress. By investing in ambitious infrastructure, the nation continues to pave the way for future advancements. Could this project set a new global benchmark for infrastructure? Will it spark a fresh wave of innovation in the field? The future looks brighter than ever for Giza. The Huajiang Gorge Bridge is more than an engineering marvel. It has the potential to become a cultural icon with lasting influence. As it nears completion, it is set to challenge traditional perceptions of what bridges represent. Its remarkable height and complex construction have already drawn worldwide interest, and its cultural significance is only beginning to take shape. In Giza, it will stand as a symbol of resilience, ambition, and the power to overcome adversity. Locally, the bridge is a source of immense pride. Residents eagerly anticipate its completion, seeing it not just as a transportation route, but as the start of a new chapter, one that promises greater prosperity and connection for a region long marked by geographical isolation. Beyond its functional role, the bridge will likely become a platform for cultural expression, with artistic installations, performances, and celebrations marking its presence in the community. The bridge's striking appearance and innovative design will inspire future infrastructure projects across the world. It goes beyond functionality, serving as an architectural statement that blends aesthetics with practicality. Features like public spaces, observation decks, and integrated tourism infrastructure will set new standards for future mega projects. Other nations facing similar geographical challenges may look to this bridge as an example of balancing utility with grandeur. Its combination of efficiency and beauty ensures that it will be admired for generations, much like other iconic structures such as the Golden Gate Bridge or the Eiffel Tower. Moreover, the bridge is poised to become a destination in its own right. Tourists will be drawn not only by the breathtaking views and the thrill of crossing at such an extreme height, but also by the innovative attractions surrounding it. Futuristic service areas, a glass walkway, extreme sports activities, and rock climbing routes will create a one-of-a-kind experience for visitors. This fusion of modern engineering with cultural and recreational value will cement the bridge's status as an iconic landmark. Could this project mark the beginning of a new era for global landmarks? Will it change the way people perceive infrastructure? The bridge is set to be more than a means of crossing. It is destined to become a cultural phenomenon. While the Huajiang Gorge Bridge is a physical structure, its impact may extend far beyond infrastructure. It has the potential to play a significant role in shaping political dynamics both within China and internationally. By linking previously isolated regions, the bridge is more than an engineering feat. It represents China's commitment to fostering connectivity and unity across the nation. Within the larger framework of China's ambitious Belt and Road Initiative, this bridge may come to symbolize the country's global influence and leadership in infrastructure development. Domestically, the bridge holds significant political implications. For provinces like Giza, where economic growth has been hindered by difficult terrain, its completion sends a strong message of governmental investment in regional development. The improved accessibility will create jobs, drive economic progress, and provide new opportunities to communities historically affected by geographical barriers. This shift may redistribute economic power within the country, giving previously underdeveloped regions a chance to thrive. On the global stage, the bridge may serve as a model for diplomatic and cooperative efforts. While China is already renowned for its engineering prowess, the sheer scale and impact of this structure could serve as an inspiration for other nations looking to undertake similar projects. In regions where geographical obstacles hinder economic growth, the bridge could demonstrate a way forward. It may also reinforce China's role as a leader in infrastructure development, potentially fostering international collaboration on future projects. However, the bridge's political implications are not without controversy. Some critics may view projects like this as a means for the Chinese government to expand its influence and maintain control over less developed regions. Regardless of these debates, the bridge's significance cannot be ignored. It is set to reshape political landscapes both within China and beyond. Could the Huajiang Gorge Bridge become a defining symbol of China's expanding global influence? How will it impact political relations and economic growth in the long run? Its true significance may extend far beyond its physical form. Amid the excitement surrounding the bridge, it is crucial to acknowledge the environmental factors involved in constructing such a massive structure. Building in a geologically complex area like Giza presents significant challenges, as the province is home to diverse ecosystems, rivers, and waterfalls that could be affected by development. Despite these concerns, engineers and environmental experts have made significant efforts to ensure that the bridge's construction and long-term impact remain environmentally responsible. The project was designed with sustainability in mind. While some level of disruption to the natural landscape was inevitable, steps have been taken to minimize long-term damage. The Chinese government has pledged to restore local ecosystems and prevent harm to the region's biodiversity. Sustainable construction practices have been integrated to reduce environmental degradation, and eco-friendly tourism infrastructure will help counterbalance any negative effects. Additionally, the Huajiang Gorge Bridge is expected to set an example for sustainable infrastructure. Green technologies, including energy-efficient lighting, water conservation systems, and renewable energy sources, will contribute to the region's overall environmental sustainability. By improving access to Giza's natural beauty, the bridge could also promote greater environmental awareness and conservation efforts among visitors and locals alike. This project demonstrates China's ability to balance large-scale infrastructure with environmental responsibility. While many mega-projects prioritize economic benefits over ecological concerns, this bridge represents a shift toward more mindful development. It serves as a testament to the possibility of creating ambitious structures while still prioritizing sustainability. Can the Huajiang Gorge Bridge become a model for environmentally responsible infrastructure? Will it prove that development and conservation can go hand in hand? The world is watching closely. The Huajiang Gorge Bridge is more than a connection between 2 points. It is a testament to China's dominance in infrastructure development. From reshaping the regional economy to becoming a cultural and political landmark, this project has the potential to leave an unmatched legacy. As the world looks on, one question remains: could this be the dawn of a new era in global engineering? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain: China has once again set an extraordinary benchmark. If this project is any indication of the future, even greater innovations lie ahead.